Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to show you how to use ChatGPT to take your YouTube channel to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just getting started, this guide will provide you with valuable insights to enhance your channel's growth and engagement. And if you're looking for additional prompts or resources, make sure to check out the pinned comment below. Alright, let's get started. Coming up with fresh and engaging content ideas can be one of the most challenging aspects of running a YouTube channel. But don't worry, ChatGPT is here to make this task a lot easier. Let's dive right in and see how ChatGPT can help us generate some creative content ideas. Here's an example of a prompt you might use. So let's say, ChatGPT, can you suggest 10 unique video ideas for my YouTube channel? Sorry for that. Focused on AI tools and content creation. So now that it's crafted all together, let's send this over and let ChatGPT analyze the prompt and see what it suggests for us. So you can see now that it's sent, here is how it processes with the following. It says, for example, how to create high quality thumbnails that could be useful to AI-powered SEO optimization for YouTube content that is useful as well. There's also a essay or discussion video on the content creation, AI versus human creativity. There's also best AI tools for crafting engaging stories, which I could watch with this, I must say. So yeah, see how helpful it is for ChatGPT to let it generate and recommended some video ideas right here. See? Quite helpful, I must say. Thanks, ChatGPT. Once you've got your content ideas lined up, the next step is crafting a script that keeps your viewers engaged from start to finish. Whether you need a full script or just an outline of key points, ChatGPT can help you create a compelling story or a script overall for your video. So let's see how ChatGPT can assist with script writing. So I'm going to put a prompt right here in the input box for a video, let's say, like the ones that I had ChatGPT asked and recommended for me earlier in the previous segment. So I chose that one to have that put together in a script. So here it is. ChatGPT, can you help me write a script for a video on, yep, just as I said, a discussion video like on future of content creation, AI versus human creativity. See, this is quite deep and this could get more interest from viewers. So let's see how ChatGPT would come up with through a script based off this prompt right here. Let's go. Now that I sent the prompt, ChatGPT is now currently analyzing the topic and now beginning to draft a script. As you can see right here, there it is. It's currently processing with each segment. Yep, it's quite working on structuring the content, as you can see, just to ensure the tone is just right, and it's making sure the message is clear and engaging. As you can see right here, there are a lot more details in the narration. There's the conclusion, final thoughts right here. And yeah, let's scroll up and see how it progressed overall. See, there are segments like the future, human creativity, irreplaceable or outdated. There's the rise of AI in content creation. There are subtopics right there from each segment. There, this one, and lastly, this one. Overall thoughts from here, just to give an idea. There's the introduction right here. And yeah, this is quite helpful. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys. Even the most amazing content won't reach its full potential if it's not optimized for search. That's where SEO, search engine optimization, comes into play. Now, ChatGPT once again can help you select the best keywords and tags to boost your video's visibility. Let's see how ChatGPT can assist with SEO optimization. So I'm going to ask for some keyword suggestions for, let's say, the same video topic from the previous segments. So here is the prompt that I crafted together. So let's say, ChatGPT, what are the best keywords and tags to use for a video about, as you can see, same topic video title right here. Then let's send this over. So now that the prompt is sent, here it is. This is what ChatGPT had generated. Like, here it is, the tags. So let's see here. Let's go over with the keywords, future of content creation. There's AI versus human writers, content creation trends. Yep, these are the keywords, which that might be helpful for the viewers to search for the video, and they might take up an interest with your video to watch it. And there's also tags, as you can see, it's in hashtags right here. AI, human creativity, AIs and humans, and yeah, as you can see, with this out of the way, with the keywords and tags right here, ChatGPT was able to work on identifying the most relevant results of the keywords and tags based on current trends, search volumes, and competition. It's quite helpful, I must say, ChatGPT. Building a loyal audience isn't just about racking up views. It's about fostering genuine engagement. Likes, comments, shares, they're key indicators that your content is resonating with viewers. Now, once more, ChatGPT can help you develop strategies to boost this engagement and turn casual viewers into dedicated followers or subscribers if you're on YouTube for that matter. Now let's see how ChatGPT can provide tips and strategies to increase engagement on your videos. So I'll start by asking for some practical advice. Here's the prompt that I created. ChatGPT, how can I increase engagement on my YouTube videos? Can you provide some tips and strategies? Let's send this over once more. Now, with the prompt sent, here are the following advices and tips and strategies that ChatGPT had recommended. So we'll see first, focus on the first 30 seconds. There's leverage YouTube analytics, create playlists, then engage in the comments. And yep, okay, let's make a deep dive on this. So with create playlists, this can help with your fellow subscribers and some viewers just to help encouraging on binge watching the videos that they most likely to watch. So these are easily digestible, more tolerable when it is organized with your videos. And yeah, that could promote more engagement with this. And there's also encourage viewer interaction. With this could potentially like strengthen your connection between you as a creator and also your audience as well, which gain even more interest to get to know more of your content and stay updated, that is. That could be beneficial as well. There's also this one. With this is most important, very most important with one of them. Mainly with the hook, it gets your viewers interested with the first few seconds and get them anticipated with the main content. And yeah, that's about it. That's a wrap on how you can leverage ChatGPT to take your YouTube channel to the next level.